Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the lower level of our home, which has been decorated for winter. A couple of weeks back I was able to join or participate in an open collaboration, and there I showed you our living and dining room decorations. However, that was really not that complete yet when I participated in the collaboration, and since then I have added a few more things. And this one actually is on our landing, and I created this back in summer. It's actually a wedding card box, and it can double as a display box or a terrarium. And I only added some silk flowers here. It's actually a vase filled with some peonies, and also I added some string lights. On top of it, I have an acrylic clear bowl that I also got at the Dollar Tree. I decorated with assorted ornament bowls, and I only put it in the corner here on top of a planter or a pedestal, and that's how I decorated our landing. Our landing is not that wide or big, so I needed a decoration that is slim and it could fit perfectly there. And this ironwork here, I've had this for years, and I've only been adding some sayings about families, and this time I've added 3 frosted ornaments that I got from Target Dollar Spot, so they were $1 each, just to add some winter touches there. And on this front foyer mirror, on top of this, I created that swag using 2 Dollar Tree mini trees. And then here, there's the dress form as well as the lamp and also some reindeer that I DIY'd. I'll be linking up on the upper corner the video of that tour so that you can watch more of the details there. I also want to show you this centerpiece that I just recently added, which wasn't part of that tour. This centerpiece depicts 2 glass peacocks on top of their nest, and I surrounded them, or I wound this garland here that looks like white branches, and I added some ornament bowls to match. I chose the bowls that have the hue or the colors of the glass peacocks that I purchased after Christmas sale clearance at Walmart years ago, and I only paid I think $1 each or even less. And here I added or hot glued this ornament that looks like a snowflake on the plain side of this fall pillow. That was the buffalo check pumpkin pillow that I got at Target Dollar Spot. I have 2 of them. They were $5 each. So instead of me buying a new pillow, I just hot glued this snowflakes ornaments that I got from 99-cent store for 99 cents. And I like that it matches the theme here for my winter Wonderland theme. And it has silver and crystal just like the chandelier, so it reflects that. So I also used some slip covers that I got from Amazon to cover our white couch. Now this is a project, the Let It Snow project, and it's one of my favorites that I DIY'd this season. And I used the mini white tree from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna link it up here too so you can watch the DIY. And 2 more of my DIYs here, this deer head as well as this deer inside a cloche, kind of like a snow globe, and the bottle brush that I purchased at Target Dollar Spot. Now this one is a project. This table I created out of 2 wire waste baskets, and I spray painted in gold. Now on the right side here, or across from our sofa tables, we have these arrangements here as well, and this is where you can see the piano and you can see a view of our kitchen. And I've shown this on the previous home tour, and this is our dining room. This is our buffet table that I decorated with the beanie trees from the Dollar Tree, and I just love this a lot because I just use these whimsical birds in the middle, and then the other trees I only added some icicles that I got from 99-cent store years ago. And then I have these branches that have the glass effect, and I put them on top. I really love this. It looks like it's a forest. And look, I added this one. I got this at Walmart as well. And this is a rabbit. And as you could see, this is from the same tour. I have more details there, but I just want to show you again because I added these icicles which weren't here before, and I got this years ago, and I was able to find them finally, and I'm able to use them here too. So this one has the pink hue. There was one in icy blue color, and there's one for silver as well. I really like this a lot. I mean, this is my favorite of all. And this one is a gift from my mother-in-law years ago. That was a bird cage. And someone asked me if those dream, faith, and believe I used a tool like Cricut. No, I purchased that, and they were like decals that you can remove. I'm just going to give you another view here of the living room before we go to our informal areas. I really love the way it all come together with the colors. And if you notice in my decoration here, I used a lot of silvers, some metallic colors, and the blue or the turquoise. Oh, by the way, this candle, this lighted candle inside of our lantern is from the 99-cents only store for 99 cents. This is on top of our piano. So I kind of rearranged things here. So if you've watched the other video, you will notice the change. And this too here, I haven't shown on that previous video as well. I have this geometric vases, and I just added some tinsels from the Dollar Tree, and some are from Michael's, and they were having a sale. Love it. So that's the Winter Wonderland theme. Now let's enter the informal areas. So I created this hanging wreath lantern using the Dollar Tree wire waste baskets again. Again, that's my favorite, and I created this in a farmhouse style, and it's a lantern. And below it, or our centerpiece for our dining table here in the kitchen, is a red truck theme. I just created this a few days ago, and I'm going to be linking it up here. I repurposed this glass vase jar, and I placed this red truck and some bottle brush trees. For the runner, I used a black and white buffalo check scarf that I got at Dollar Tree. Now for this long table here, I created this setting that has the row of galvanized houses that I got at Target Dollar Spot. They were $3 each. They have the white rooftops, and I like this a lot. I added those little wreaths that I created out of those same branches that I used for the skirt of this dress form. And the theme for this is home, so that's why I use that, because there are houses here. And actually in our informal areas, it's all about a home and also the red truck. And here are some more items. So that's the home of a bird, a cardinal. There's a house there, a bird house. And this one, I used a filing, the galvanized filing that is a hanging filer, and I just decorated it with some of the winter foliages that are all artificial foliages. And so for the cover of the table, I used a gray quilt underneath this burgundy throw, a velvet throw, and on top of the velvet throw is a burlap that I purchased from Walmart, and then I put some fake snow. I really love this arrangement a lot. Now here I showed you how I created this. I repurposed one of my DIYs, and I made this Blessed Joy sign, and on top of this dresser I have a little bit of the village. Here is a portion of our kitchen that I decorated also with this mailbox from 99 cents only store. And this cookie box gift box is also from the 99 cents only store. And the lid comes off and you can place your gifts like cookies or candies or crackers. And it's decorated, or the design is like a candy shop. So you can even put candies here too. Now I like this bottle. There is no place like home for the holidays. That's also from the 99 cents only store for 99 cents. And baby, it's cold outside, also 99 cents from 99 cents store. I used that poinsettia flower, and that's part of a bush or a bouquet from the Dollar Tree. Just want to show you how I set up the top here again with this teardrop trailer, and also behind it the post office, miniature village. And I put a tea light there, and I DIY'd that red truck, by the way, using the flat red truck ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and I added some cardboard and painted red. The Let It Snow can or cookie can is from Michael's, and I filled a couple of jars here with chocolates. Now this is our hot drink station where we make our teas and our coffees, and these three here I DIY'd, and I'm gonna linking it up here as well. How I created this. These are good as stocking stuffers or gifts for kids, and these are edible gifts. Now I love this a lot, this setting here, because I love coffee and tea. And that snowflake lantern there is from the 99 cent store, and these tea boxes are from 99 cent store as well as this coffee mug, home for the holidays with a red truck. I love it because it's wrapped in sweater. I hung this Joy Sled sign that I got at 99 cents only store for 99 cents. I love the buffalo red and black bow that is embellished with. And this is our fireplace, by the way. This is the top of our fireplace. So I created this wreath using a hula hoop from the Dollar Tree, which I wrapped with a couple of scarves that are also from the Dollar Tree. And then at the center I hung a green truck, not a red truck, and it has lighted trees at the back, and I got that at 99 cent store. Below our fireplace, this house here is made of wood signs that I got at Dollar Tree, and I assembled it, and I'm gonna linking it up here as well how I created that. And I created that small wreath to embellish it. These two rocking horses, we've had it for years. I just added some Dollar Tree Christmas ribbons just to decorate it for the season. And I displayed some of the small toys, that teddy bears. My daughter had it when she was a kid, and those two are my dog Cloud, the Maltese dog that always follows me. They're his toys. And on this side we have a clock here, and below it is a terrarium that I DIY'd back in spring, I think late spring, early summer. I used the garden fences again, as well as some Dollar Tree frames, and I painted them to make them look like they were weathered. Inside the terrarium I have this faux plant, and on top of it this wreath from Target Dollar Spot. Also added some string lights to give it a little bit more life. And this ornament I like a lot from 99 cent store. It already has a candle that is battery operated, and this LED, this galvanized LED, is from the Dollar Tree. Now to add a little bit of our culture, this one is a painting from the Philippines, and I like it a lot. It is a kalesa. It is a horse-drawn carriage. This little house here that is lighted is from 99 cent store, and this snow globe is from Germany from my daughter's boyfriend. It's a gift from when he last traveled or visited his family there. And this one I DIY'd, I'm going to be linking it up here as well. That is a box, a gift box that has the red truck theme, and I just added some string lights as well from the Dollar Tree. So that's a $2 project. So that's the last piece to show, and I'm gonna be showing you again our fireplace area from afar as it's lighted. And I'm really loving the green truck. It really works well on the mantle. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be interested in looking at some holiday home tours. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell icon so you will not miss any of my new uploads. And please leave me some comments down below, guys. Hope you all are having a great day. I'll talk to you again on my next video. Take care, everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.